Man, now I gotta watch the words. Now I'm angry. More than angry. It's not really the right word. Very frustrated, and I feel like, I like playing. I like starting to share some of the YouTube videos with my brother Art and some few other guys. Showing what I can do with QRP. See what frequency my radio's on? Now, 7060 is the American QRP calling frequency, the QRP watering hole, if you will, and it's one of the two on 40 meters, widely used throughout the world. In addition to 7040, and in some, I think in some European countries or in Asian, some Asian countries, 70.030. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, Listen, let me, hang on. I've got a fan running. I'm just angry. There. Ah, listen. Tell me if you see a problem here. Let me back out. Yeah. Now, I don't know if it's a new ham. Thought he'd get on the band FT8 or FT4. I don't even know what that is. Get on the digital bandwagon without first learning any etiquette or any ham radio culture. Or if it's just an old timer like me that just straight up doesn't give a shit. It's hard to tell. I saw him hit 5 dB over 9, almost 10 dB over, and the thing is, it's supposedly such an incredibly efficient mode. You can copy signals that the human ear can't even hear. Yeah, he's probably in California running about 5 kilowatts. That's what they like to do. I don't know why. It about pisses me off, man. Frustrates me. Let's go right on down to 7060 and see what it might. Yeah. You want to work some QRP through that? Still S9. If you're a new ham, learn some culture, learn some etiquette, learn some manners, learn some decency, some human neighborly decency. If you're an old fart like me, man, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And it just leaves me frustrated. Playing with my 40 meter unfed halfway wire. I don't know. 73. I just realized I'm in an incendiary mood because of that FT head. So I thought to myself, man, personality check time. There's probably a digital mode contest raging right now, and I'm a reasonable guy. I mean, dang, man. I just want to all get along here. I want to do my QRP thing, and I want them to do their digital thing, and, right on. So I figured, since I'm in such an incendiary mood, let me check the W8. Let me check the contest webpage I've got. Well, fine. Let me switch to my other desktop. Yeah, I could have recorded this using a desktop recording tool, but Nah, I zoom you in. I need some reassurance. Show me the digital mode contest. No, no, no. Ooh, I bet that one's a mess. Yikes. I'll stay away. The Novice Rig Roundup. Oh, that'd be fun, but I don't have my vintage station restored yet. Yeah, no, 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 no. SKC, no. Open Ukraine, no. Couple RIDI contests. Yeah, no such luck. I'm gonna switch back. Now I'm back to this mood again. My hobby's being nuked by FT heads. 73.